Alright people, here is the Swiss Army Knife PS3, I guess loader thing, whatever you want to call it. I really don't know yet. So you go to default settings after you install your other OS, and you're going to turn your system off. Which it is doing. Turn it back on. And there we go. And PS3 is running. Gonna boot up for a second. Booting, please wait. As you can tell, it takes a few minutes. And it says that. Okay. There we go. I'm just going to show y'all what you can do. If you can't read it, I'm sorry. So, there you go. It actually works on the PS3. Let me exit back out. There's no disc. Okay. And PS3 is booting back up. There we go. Gotta press the button. There you go. Other OS. Swiss Army Knife.